Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we will show you how to change lock screen background on Windows 10 so you can personalize your computer with your favorite images. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings. This opens the Settings app, which allows you to manage all your Windows preferences in one place. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Personalization on the left-hand side. The Personalization section lets you customize your desktop, colors, themes, and lock screen settings. Step 3. Scroll down on the right-hand side and click on Lock Screen. This page controls the image and layout that appears whenever your computer is locked. Step 4. Under the Background drop-down, choose Windows Spotlight, Picture, or Slideshow. Each option allows you to change how your lock screen looks, either with dynamic images, a single picture, or a rotating slideshow. Step 5. If you select Picture, click Browse to choose an image from your computer. This lets you pick a specific photo that you want to display on your lock screen. Step 6. If you select Slideshow, choose a folder with images you want to display. This option cycles through multiple pictures automatically, giving your lock screen a fresh look each time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.